Ever found yourself staring at your Xero dashboard, numbers swimming before your eyes, and wondered, am I doing this right? Do I really need a bookkeeper if I already have this fancy software? You're not alone. It's a question I get asked all the time, and it's a valid one. Xero and other cloud accounting software like it are powerful tools, but they're not a magic bullet. They can automate a lot of the tedious data entry, but they can't replace the expertise of a skilled bookkeeper. Think of it like this. You can buy a top-of-the-line sewing machine, but that doesn't automatically make you a master tailor. You still need to learn the skills, understand the patterns, and know how to troubleshoot when things go wrong. The same is true for accounting software. Xero can handle the stitches, but a bookkeeper is the one who understands the fabric of your business finances. So, the short answer is, most likely, yes, you probably do need a bookkeeper even with Xero. But let's unpack that a bit more. Let's dive into why and explore the situations where you might be able to manage without one, and, importantly, the situations where trying to DIY your bookkeeping could actually be costing you more in the long run. First, let's talk about what Xero can do. It's fantastic for automating tasks like invoicing, bank reconciliation, and generating basic financial reports. It can save you a ton of time compared to manual bookkeeping methods. It also offers real-time insights into your cash flow, which is crucial for any business. You can track your expenses, manage your inventory, and even collaborate with your accountant directly through the platform. It's a powerful tool, no doubt. However, Xero or any accounting software is only as good as the data you put into it. And that's where a bookkeeper comes in. They're the ones who ensure that the data is accurate, categorized correctly, and entered consistently. They're the ones who understand the nuances of accounting principles and tax regulations. They're the ones who can spot errors and discrepancies that you might miss. Think about it, you're busy running your business. You're focused on sales, marketing, customer service, and all the other things that keep your company afloat. Do you really have the time to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of tax laws and accounting standards? Probably not. And even if you do, are you confident that you're doing it correctly? One small mistake can lead to big problems down the road, including penalties from the tax authorities. A bookkeeper can free up your time so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. They can also provide valuable insights into your financial performance, helping you make informed decisions about your business strategy. They can help you identify areas where you can save money, improve your cash flow, and increase your profitability. Now, let's talk about the situations where you might be able to manage without a bookkeeper. If you have a very small business with simple finances, and you're comfortable with accounting principles, you might be able to handle the bookkeeping yourself. For example, if you're a sole proprietor with a small number of transactions each month, and you're meticulous about record keeping, you might be able to get by with just Xero. However, even in these cases, it's often a good idea to consult with a bookkeeper or accountant periodically to make sure you're on the right track. They can review your work, answer your questions, and provide guidance on any complex issues. But as your business grows and your finances become more complex, the need for a bookkeeper becomes increasingly important. If you have employees, inventory, or multiple revenue streams, it's very easy to get overwhelmed with the bookkeeping. And if you're not careful, you can make costly mistakes that could hurt your business. Here are some signs that you probably need a bookkeeper. Even if you're using Xero, you're spending too much time on bookkeeping. If you're spending hours each week trying to reconcile your accounts, you're taking time away from other important tasks. You're not confident in your financial reports. If you're not sure that your reports are accurate, you can't make informed decisions about your business. You're struggling to keep up with tax laws and regulations. Tax laws are complex and constantly changing. A bookkeeper can help you stay compliant. You're experiencing cash flow problems. A bookkeeper can help you identify the root causes of your cash flow problems and develop strategies to improve your cash flow. You're planning to grow your business. As your business grows, your finances will become more complex, and you'll need a bookkeeper to help you manage them. So, back to the original question. Do you need a bookkeeper if you have Xero? The answer, in most cases, is yes. Xero is a great tool, but it's not a replacement for a skilled bookkeeper. A bookkeeper can help you ensure that your financial data is accurate, provide valuable insights into your business performance, and free up your time so you can focus on what you do best. They're an investment in your business, not an expense. Think of them as your financial co-pilot, helping you navigate the often turbulent skies of business finance. Don't underestimate the value of having a professional handle your bookkeeping. It's not just about entering numbers. It's about understanding the story those numbers tell about your business. It's about having someone who can help you make sense of it all and use that information to make better decisions. It's about peace of mind, knowing that your finances are in good hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.